It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
So next to the door there is a locker with drawers. Okay, so I put these here. There's a lot of space, and also I hang my coats. And then there is these drawers, so I'm not gonna open them because they're packed. Next to it there is a fridge and a desk. So the fridge is working normal. The desk is nice. I studied yesterday here. There is this fan, and also it's a TV, I think, but I didn't use it. There's a shelf with many places. So they give you, this is what they give me. This is what they give me. I didn't use any of it. I think it's a shampoo. Yeah, this one is a shampoo, this one is a body wash, and these books in Korean, I don't know what's that. And it's a toilet paper, and how do you call it, like the thing you dry your hair with. So yeah, that's all in this section. Then there is the bed. It's kind of comfortable. They give you this with it, yeah. And there's also up here you can hang things. Well, ta-da! I'm gonna show you what I bought. Sorry for the mess. It's a small room, so, and it's so hot, so I have to like turn off the fan, which is very needed at the moment. So I'm gonna start with Olive Young, even though I still need to buy some stuff. I didn't find everything I wanted. So first of all, it's this Be Plain cleansing oil. Apparently it's very popular here that they do double cleansing, which can make blackheads disappear and pores diminish. Yeah, like become smaller. So there is this one. I'm gonna open it now. Oh god, how do they open this? Oh my god, look, funny. Like, it's a scared leaf, I think. Is it a leaf? I don't know. Be plain mung bean. It's a bean. Okay. Well, I guess it's made by with beans. So yeah, this is the cleanser. It's oil. So you start with this one. It's step 1, and then there is the cleansing foam after it. So it's like this, and then the famous snail power essence. I'm not gonna open this one. Looks hard to open. Wow, it's okay, I can open it after. Then what I bought from Daiso. Wow, there is this ice cream thing. I bought a book, not a book, a notebook. I also got this mask. It's a collagen essence gel mask. Wow, money. I also bought this essential mask sheet. I just wanted to try it. And then the shampoo brush. Also, this pen for school. I forgot to buy a ruler. What is this? Yeah, I bought a small palette. It looked cool. Oh my god, why is it like this? It's so cute. I thought it's the perfect palette to have in your bag. I don't know if you can see. I think that's it. No, oh, there's the not the pimple. This is the blackhead remover. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. That's it for the shopping haul. I still need to buy many things, but it's okay for today. Well, I guess I should take a shower and sleep. I'm so tired. I've been walking non-stop since 5 p.m. and now it's how what time is it? I don't know what time is it. What time is it? I think it's 11 p.m. Almost 12. I'm so tired. I went alone to Myeongdong and then Hondae, and then I ate chicken, and then I talked to my brother, and I visited some places I used to go to 6 years ago. Everything changed. So yeah, that's about it for today. I think this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. I promise it's gonna be more fun after, because I'm gonna move to a dorm and like decorate it, and I can show you the university and the school and everything. Like, you can tell me in the comments if you want, like, what kind of videos you want to see. Yeah, so I'm very tired. I'm gonna take a shower and sleep. That's it. Bye guys, see you hopefully tomorrow. I'm gonna try to post every day, either short form like YouTube shorts, or like videos like this, whichever I can. So yeah, bye, good night.